pretty much the home screen of the application. What this application does is pretty much detects AI from not AI. You can either upload an AI or any image that you might think that it's not AI or is AI. You can upload it here and it will detect it for you. So for example, this one here will detect the image if it's AI. As you can see here, it takes 1 credit to analyze the image to see if it's an AI image. So I'm going to tap on analyze here. As you can see here, it will take a few to analyze. As you can see here, it detects AI image. So 93% possibility it is AI. So that's really pretty much it. And you can as well do it with videos and even paste YouTube, TikTok, Facebook links, and it will pretty much detect that link or that video or whatever that link is directing it to, will detect if it's AI or not for you. So as you can see here, it takes 1 credit to pretty much check or analyze any of these, whether it be image or videos. As you can see here, so if I do tap on this option here, you can get a subscription. As you can see here, they have a standard basic plan and a standard and a premium plan. So you do get credits per plan. As you can see here, for the basic plan, you get 150 credits. For the standard plan, they get 300 credits. For the premium plan, you get 500 credits. So that's really pretty much it for this here. So very easy application to use and very good application for people out there who want to check any information if it's AI or not. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out. And as well, not to mention, everything will be shown in the history section as well. And you can also show down here what you have recently scanned. So that's really pretty much it. And I hope this helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.